Thank you for having me today.
Yes. No problem. Years ago, when the State Minister, Mr. Terrelong, spoke Spanish, and Mr. Warmington got up and stopped him and said, well, no, Parliament, what is it? It's number 6, I think it is.
Yes, yeah? Standing Order.
Yeah, Standing Order 6, and says, you're supposed to speak. And the same Speaker of the House said he got permission before, and she suspended the Standing Order so he could do that. Well, Mr. Warmington never buy that, by the way. Did you get permission to speak Patois before?
I think the people gave me permission, but to be true to the letter of the Standing Order says the language for Parliament is English language. It does not say you can't speak Patois. And I've been in Parliament since October of last year, and I hear Patois talk in Parliament every day.
In a presentation?
In presentations, and nobody said, and I'm quoting here, but the Speaker didn't allow not even a sentence or two, and that's her prerogative. I'm not going to fight her. She is the umpire in the space, and I complied. But the point was made, Neville, in 2 sentences. In 2 sentences or less of the Jamaican language, it has stirred a conversation nationally about our identity, about class, about our culture that I couldn't have asked for.
Is that what you wanted to do?
That was it. It wasn't about disrespecting Parliament. It was about disrupting Parliament. It was intentional. It was to stir that conversation in us because we had gone into this comfort zone of just accepting Parliament. So when I came in as a millennial politician and I'm told to read a prayer that prays to the King and to the public weal and to his children, I felt very uncomfortable with those things. So I have been contending with them personally as a black woman from rural Jamaica, still praying to the King. And then what happened recently with the mace, again, I was confronted. Is this the kind of politics I want to leave when I exit the space? I did not come in here to keep it the same way. I came in here to disrupt it for the better. And so in a sense, we're kind of juxtaposing the mace beside a mirror. I sought to put a mirror in Parliament, not for Jamaica to reflect on itself, but for Parliament. We are the legislators. For us to reflect on ourselves. Yep. Is this what we want?